Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes and show you what we're working on. We'll start here in LATROBE behind me. We've got a couple different cars. We've got a Porsche Cayenne. This one's here for a ceramic coating. Jimmy is polishing away. Before he gets the coating down, we always spend a day or two, sometimes even three, polishing the paint, making it look like a mirror before we ceramic coat it. Most of the coating is in the prep. It's actually not in the coating. In the wash bay, we've got a Silverado. This belongs to our good friend Brad. We're doing some PPF on this. And in front of that is a Ranger Raptor. I like these little trucks. I think they did a good job with these. This got window tint and a ceramic coating is next up. In the tint bay, Gavin is working on a Ford Explorer. This one's getting the windows tinted. In the PPF bay, we've got a Ford Bronco. This one has paint protection film on the front end. Terrell's working on a F250. This is getting XPEL XR Plus all the way around. If you're not familiar with that, that is the highest grade of tint that XPEL makes. It is a ceramic IR film, so it's designed to block a ton of heat. This customer is moving to Texas. We obviously sell more of this at our stores down south, but we do a fair amount of it here in Pennsylvania as well. Lots of action in LATROBE today outside too. We've got a Super Duty. This one's also getting XR Plus all the way around. Next to a Scion, no, not a Scion, Subaru BRZ, same as the Scion FRS. This car we ceramic coated, Jimmy just told me like 6 or 7 years ago. It was a 4-year coating, they loved it. They came back for us to recoat it. So that says something about the product that after having it for that many years, they decided to get it redone because it worked so well. Beside that is window tint on the C8 next to a Volkswagen that's also window tint. The Tesla is here for an annual inspection next to a Colorado that's also getting tint, and a Ram 2500 that is an annual inspection as well. This one needed some love after its annual, so we're going to go ahead and touch that up. Some areas just needed polish and things like that. Depending on how you take care of the coating, they could last you many, many years or not that many. Just typical maintenance stuff. This Raptor's a fun one. So the side of the truck got hit by a car carrier. It hit the bedside. The film protected like 99% of it. We should have gotten a video. I pulled it off in the parking lot myself. It had giant scratches down the side of it. And all that's left after all the film came off, this is adhesive. This will wipe off. There's a small dent and a little rock chip. So our PDR guy is going to get that out. We're going to do some touch up on that, refilm this, and as the customer stated, it wasn't a cost thing that the trucking company's insurance was paying for it. He really didn't want aftermarket paint on the truck. He didn't want it to not match, and anytime you repaint a car, it's never as good as original. Then we've got tint and, oh man, I want to say a coating. Tint and a coating on this. I don't think it's PPF, I think it's just a coating. And then a vinyl wrap removal on that Jaguar. Let's see what's happening at the other four.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up, we got the PPF guys back here working on a Cadillac Escalade. This is in for a full body PPF wrap. We're doing our thicker 10 mil PPF on the entire front of the vehicle, 8 mil on the remaining areas. We've also tinted this entire vehicle 20% on all the side windows and the back window. That makes the 2 front windows 20% and the back section 5%. Once these guys wrap up the full wrap, Mark will get his hands on it for a full coating on the interior and exterior. Up on the lift is a vehicle from our friends at BMW of Swickley. This is a M235. This is in for an 8 mil full front clip. In the wash bay, we have a 2025 BMW X7. This got some paint protection film on the entire front and full doors about a year ago, and a ceramic coating. So that's why it's back in the shop today, just for a maintenance wash. Tint bay, we got Cole and Andrew doing a tint job on this Cadillac CT4V. This is getting our Prime XR window tint on all the side windows and the back window. Next in line for ceramic coating is this BMW X5. We have completed the paint protection film on this vehicle. We did a track package. Now that that's complete, Mark will get his hands on it now for a full paint correction and an 8-year ceramic coating. Next up, we have a completed vehicle here. This is a Nissan Titan. You can see this black paint is now shining like a mirror. So we did a full body paint correction on this, and then a 4-year ceramic coating on the entire truck. The paint, wheels, calipers, glass, plastic, the whole 9. Behind the ropes here is a completed PPF job. This one got our track package. So we did the entire front clip, lower rocker panels, rear impacts, and we also did the A-pillar and partial roof. So this area that surrounds the windshield, there's a nice break on these C8s to stop the film. That got 8 mil PPF as well. Up front on the platform is a Mustang convertible. This got a full wrap and coating a year ago, so it's in the shop this week to get its annual maintenance detail and XPEL boost application. Another completed job is this Cadillac Escalade. This got some paint protection film on the entire front of the vehicle. Mark then polished out all painted surfaces and applied a 4-year ceramic coating. Outside, we have a completed tint job. This CRV, which I believe is a 2014, got tint on the side windows, the back window, and the windshield visor. Next in line for some paint protection film and ceramic coating is this BMW 440i. This is getting some miscellaneous pieces like the door cups, the door edges, the door sills. We call that our wear and tear package. Once that is complete, Mark will get his hands on it for a full polish and 8-year ceramic coating.